this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Well, this is WIP Caddy Wednesday. This is where I get to showcase all the different projects and things that you guys send in, or you post on Facebook, or you send me an email, and I get to share that with everyone so that you guys can help inspire and it not just be all about me. But I will start off with some projects that I am working on and a few things that, let's see, I don't know, maybe I finished. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm drinking out of my Come On Somebody. This is from my brother-in-law. It's my husband's brother, younger brother. He is a pastor at a church in Georgia. And this is one of the things he says on the platform. And so he sent me and Hugh both a mug. Now Hugh's mug, I guess I should have brought it in here. The bottom part, it has that brown cork look. And then it has this, and it's a beautiful cup. I'll try to show that in another video. Anyway, and then he sent some sweatshirts since it's winter coming up. And I just want to say thank you, Daryl. Thank you very much. The Assembly is the name of their church. Let's see, both of my sides, the front and back, both say Come On Somebody. But I think Hugh has the logo of the Assembly, and then Come On Somebody, I think. I had to get that back out and look. Anyway, I'm just drinking Folgers Breakfast Blend coffee. This is actually my third cup. I've been up pretty early and just running around the house, doing housework and setting up all the things in front of me that I want to show you guys. So let's go ahead and get started on that. One of the things is I've been working on this blanket that I'm excited about, and I just want to say thank you guys for commenting on that other video of some names for this blanket. I am writing everything down and I will pick a name. So here's what I've gotten so far. I forgot how many, I think I said this was 60 inches across. But it's going to be this turquoise here, and then it's going to start over with this pattern. And then it'll be turquoise, and then start over with this pattern, and it's going to end with a turquoise. And you can see all the different types of stitches that are in here. The wattle stitch, V-stitch. I don't know why I can never remember the other two stitches. But yeah, that's it. Okay, the yarn I'm using is Hobie. We Love Yarn. It's the Make a Ball. So those are the colors that I'm using for this. And I'm very excited about this. I'm just having so much fun with this. Well, the other thing is that I'm having fun working on is, oh, I need to throw this in real quick. All you guys that have been following me on the sampler blanket, I am going to finish that up. All it is the one border, and then I'm fixing to have another border around it, and I'll show that in another video. But I am working on these little sausage mouth guys. These little characters. Now this one, I still need to fuzz these out. All it is if you want the fuzz look like this versus this, you just take one of the strands and just kind of untwist it a little bit, and then pull the strands apart from each other. I don't know if I'm doing that good enough on the camera here or not, but that's all you do, and it makes a fuzz. See, that's all you do, in case you're interested in doing that. So I made one for Charlie May, and I'm not sure, this will probably be Ollie's, and this one will be Knox. So these are the characters. And I've got 2 more to make. I believe it's 2. Let's see, 1, 2. No, I have 3 more of these that I need to make. So yeah, I'm gonna do those. Now these little things, I may put little cars in there. I'm not sure, but I did buy some little small dinosaurs, and I can fit like 4 dinosaurs in each pouch. So I may just do that. I'm using a 4.0 millimeter crochet hook, and this is it. This is one of the kits that I got from Temu, and I'm just having a blast with it. It's so easy to make. They have a barcode in here that you can scan, and it takes you straight to the videos in case you don't understand some of their instructions. It takes you straight to the video and walks you through it. So I'm like, wow, that's cool. The other thing I have is Tuesday, my stitch of the week, is the twin clusters. If you haven't seen it, you may want to go watch that tutorial. I'll leave the link in the description box below. The twin clusters. And yes, I have ideas for this one too. So if my little calendar of future projects is starting to build up pretty big, because the more stitches I'm learning, the more I want to do. And the more my mind just, gets going crazy. Let's see, I did this corner to corner. I know I take it for granted that corner to corner is easy and everyone knows how to do corner to corner, and I apologize for that. I do remember being where some of you guys are, and you have been intimidated by corner to corner and you weren't sure you could do it. I've been there, and I just want to let you guys know that you can do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do a tutorial on how to make this blanket. For you guys that don't know how to do corner to corner, you can watch this and see how to start it, how many rows you need to do, and how to end it. So there's no border on it. It doesn't need a border, only if you want a border. But I think these blankets look just fine without borders. So be sure and look for the tutorial on this. You can use any weight yarn. I've used a 3-weight, DK weight. I've used the bulky. Let me show you one that I did in bulky. Okay, this is one that's done in a little bit bulkier yarn than this, but wow, they look about the same. But I'm pretty sure this one was a 5. I could be wrong, but I'm thinking it is. Okay, so if you want to make one where the stripes, they kind of flow like this, the tutorial should, I'm hoping that I'll get it out this week. This is Red Heart Super Saver Ombre. Scuba is the color on this one. So be sure and look for the tutorial on this one. I need to go back and see what hook I used, but I'm pretty sure it was probably a 6.0 millimeter crochet hook for this project. And once you learn it, guys, I'm telling you, it is the easiest, most simplest thing. I think it's even easier than the granny stitch. You just go, and like I said, I can watch TV or anything with it. The other thing is I want to show is I come across this when I was pulling out my stuff for my Christmas. This is an Annie's Christmas kit blanket. It is a monthly subscription for the length of, till you get all your colors for each week. I think I did mine bi-weekly, but I'll leave I do have an affiliate link. I'll leave that in the description box below if you're interested in getting started. I did have a lot of yarn left over, and so I've made several other small projects and stuff with the yarn that's left over. But you learn all these cool stitches. Look at this, so much. And they had tutorials that if there was a part that I didn't understand, and there were a few rows that I did have to go and watch the tutorial for. The majority of it I could understand, the paperwork on it. But this is a really big blanket. Look at this, guys. So it's just beautiful. So I think you'll enjoy this for Christmas. And if you don't get it done in time for this Christmas, save it for next Christmas. Okay, so the other thing I want to show you guys is something from my sister Tanya. And I've had her on my channel a few times, and you guys seem to love her. So she's going to come on some more. Just not this week, but she will be coming back on. And I would love to have her to come on quite a bit. Anyway, so this is a basket she made for the blanket that we showed in one of the WIP Caddy, I think it was last week's WIP Caddy Wednesday, possibly, or no, maybe the Wednesday before. But that's the blanket. This yarn was given to her, gifted to her from Dina. So thank you, Dina, for that. We appreciate it very much. But she made a basket, and it's nice and strong basket. Here it is. I believe it was Mainstay yarn. I did not bring it in here. Hold on, let me go get it. Okay, guys, this is the yarn that she used. It's Mainstay 100% acrylic black Malta. There it is, right there. It's just beautiful. So thank you, Dina, for helping Belle and Tanya out. And now she's got this beautiful basket and a beautiful blanket to give as a Christmas gift. So yeah, this turned out beautiful for the black and white. Now I want it. I want one like this. It's just beautiful. It's black, white, and gray are the colors. Let's see if you can see it kind of worked up. Didn't that just come out beautiful? So Tanya is our basket queen. Let's see what else. Oh yeah, she made me a basket in the colors that I picked to put my little, whenever I make these little samples, I can throw them in the basket. I am eventually going to have these displayed another way so that I can flip, maybe even on a wall, something. I'm not quite sure how I want to go about where I want to put my samples, but for right now, they're going in a basket. Here's the basket. This is what she created for me. It's just beautiful. Look at that. I believe she used 2 strands of the teal and 1 strand of white. I love the way it's dark right here, and then it gets light, and then it goes to white. And then there's my samples, stitch samples. And I'm going to have find another way also on what to put, how to attach the tag to the sample, because eventually I'm going to run out of these clips right here. So for right now, I'm doing okay, but I'm going to run out, right? Okay, guys, let's see what you guys have been working on. Okay, here we have Pam's beautiful projects that she's got going on here. She says, good morning. Top shelf is the Caroline doll. She says she still has to fix her hair, but she thinks she is so cute. Well, I agree. She is very cute. She says she thinks that she's adorable, and she followed the tutorial by Rhonda Butler, and that it was really easy. The second shelf is the beginning of a stitch, Lilo and Stitch, and she's making 2 for her great-granddaughters. She just has to figure out how she wants to make them different yet the same. The bottom is pom-poms and material. Next to the card is a blanket for her hubby, and is the all linked up tutorial by Bag O' Day. She was happy to see more videos last week, and she really enjoyed seeing all the beautiful WIPs, and for everyone to have a fantastic week. Well, Pam, you have a fantastic week as well, and everything is just lovely. So here we have Julie's projects, and I am loving all these colors that are just screaming at me. They're just beautiful, Julie. She says that the blanket over the chair is her popcorn granny square blanket that is a make-along running from August through December. And the middle shelf of the card has a knitted scarf that she's hoping to get done by Christmas, and a knitted hat that she's also hoping to get done by Christmas. The bottom shelf has her knitted temperature blanket for November, and the basket on the right has her year-long crochet temperature scarf. The bag on the left has her t-shirt. Check out her video for more details and patterns, and you can go to Facebook and you can get the link to her YouTube channel. Well, Julie, the blanket and everything is just gorgeous. So here we have Christine's, and I'm loving the blues that you have on there. She says on the left is a growing pile and bin of scrap granny squares. In the back is her polychromatic blanket for Boggy Creek, Bag O' Day pattern, Caron Simply Soft in lime and red heart, Super Saver color block in granite. In front of that is a cowl and a couple of hats that she started and finished this week. Cowl is by Bag O' Day. Arabella's Jewels pattern made with Line Brand Scarfie in cream black and trimmed in Barraco plush black. The 2 hats are the Bag O' Day Bonbon Beanie made with Crafter's Secret 100% cotton. And to the right of the hat is a Christmas teddy bear that still needs a few parts till she can sew them all together. The pattern is by Keep Calm and Crochet, made with Red Heart Super Saver and mistletoe. And behind the bowl of bear parts is her new yarn stand from Michaels. And on it is a blanket that she just started, another Bag O' Day pattern, Peaceful Lullaby baby blanket with Red Heart Super Saver in colors Bluebell, Charcoal, White, and Dark Gray Heather. And she says, happy crocheting. Well, happy crocheting to you, and thanks for sharing all those projects. Okay, here we have Tina's WIPs, and this is such a cute scene. She says, getting ready for Christmas, that her granny is overseeing her snowman WIPs. She says she's going to give to family and friends. They are just so cute, and I love the way the granny is just looking over there. Thank you, Tina, for sharing this photo with us. So here we have a couple projects from Tanisha, which are beautiful. She says that she's making the Cleopatra shawl from Ophelia Talks Crochet with Caron Cinnamon Swirl Cake in the color Heat Wave. The solid burnt orange color, she's adding to it is some old dark horse yarn, no longer in production. There is a free tutorial on YouTube, and she's using the same pattern to make a table runner for Thanksgiving. She says she's working with 2 yarns held together. The first in the color brown is yarn from Big Twist, and the metallic is Shawl and a Ball color Namset. It's Namaste. Well, they are just beautiful. Thank you for sharing those. Okay, those are just some beautiful projects. Oh my gosh, you guys are amazing. And I just want to say that I appreciate you very much, and you do inspire me. Okay, I just want to remind you that I do have a giveaway that is going on, and this giveaway will end this Friday. So be sure and go and leave a comment. All right, I wanted to share these beautiful flowers that I received from my husband, Hugh. Hugh, thank you very, very much for these beautiful flowers. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and do our Be Still and Know devotion. So this is the book that I'm reading from. Do not let your adornment be merely outward, arranging the hair, wearing gold, or putting on fine apparel. Rather, let it be the hidden person of the heart, with the incorruptible beauty of a gentle and quiet spirit, which is very precious in the sight of God. That's 1 Peter chapter 3, verse 3 and 4. Women like to look their best. This usually means wearing the right clothes, hairstyle, and accessories to match. Sometimes just getting our hair right can be the difference between a good or bad day. Oh my gosh, that is so true. We need to admit our superficial nature and recognize when we are prioritizing outward appearance over inner beauty. The Bible doesn't condemn outward adornment. Rather, it advises that we pay more attention to the hidden person of the heart. Who is on the inside? Are you doing your best to make that person beautiful? Beauty to God is a gentle and quiet spirit. Wow, that's beautiful. Lord, I know I don't always act in gentleness towards others. I know I could do better maintaining a quiet spirit. Help me develop and display these qualities that are truly beautiful. Wow, I hope you guys have enjoyed that as much as I did. I hope you've enjoyed WIP Caddy Wednesday, which is my favorite video of the week, as you guys know, because I like showcasing the things that you guys are working on. All right, guys, that's all I have for this video. Just remember, live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.